Alright, we are going to play MTV's Remote Control. Actually, we don't know what we call it. Some people call it MTV's Remote Control. Sometimes it's written M.T.B.Remote Control, and sometimes just Remote Control. But I'm going with MTV's Remote Control. It came out in 1990, published by High Tech Expressions. There we go. The developer was Rydell or something like that. I honestly don't remember the name of that. I don't see it in here. Trademark, whatever. But yeah, it's after the television show. It's just kind of a trivia game. That's all it boils down to. So let's we'll just start it up and see where we go from this thing. In 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's see here. Pick our. Oh. Got this dude. Yeah, that dude. Oh, the 80s hair, love it. Hoop earring. I don't like the teeth. Oh my gosh. Oh. And that hair sucks. And that guy's out of style. Okay, I am going with the freak. Start. Okay, here you go. Welcome to Remote Control. Let's see our contestants. Yeah. Okay, Freddy, you're in control. Choose a category. Okay. Another prime time. She may be Queen of Falcon Crest, but what actress was one divorce away from being the First Lady? Oh, Jane Wyman. Oh, that was paused. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, they are not happier. The dude in the middle isn't. Oh, I don't want. Okay, I wanted to try something else. Okay, Mr. Belvedere is an English butler who works for a Caddick American family. What is the family's last name? Owens, isn't it? Yeah. What's this one? Cop shows. These are the facts. The following are the questions about cop shows. The names haven't been changed to protect the innocent. After Dragnet, Jack Webb produced what series about two LA cops named Mallory and Reed? Was it Adam? Yeah. That answer was so good it made me feel all warm and tingly inside. Nice. Alright, what else is there? All in the Family. Okay. Name the obnoxious little 9-year-old pixie who came to live at the bunkers in the last season of Stephanie something. Oh, I guess you're really not as dumb as you look. Thanks. I'm gonna stay with All in the Family. I used to watch this with my grandpa. Archie abandoned Edith once a week to be with the Cannonballers, like the bowling team. Okay, Freddy, you're in control. At what public event was Archie once arrested? Oh, protest. Oh, jerks. Alright, what's next? Whatever happened to? Old actors never die, they just find more demeaning roles to play. After years of singing You Light Up My Life, she now sings gospel music. Name Pat Boone's daughter. Oh crap, I don't remember. Is it Tracy? Nope. I'm gonna go with Debbie, yeah. Cartoon Channel. Okay, here we go. These are questions about characters who tell jokes, fall off cliffs, talk to funny, and generally behave as silly. Okay, whatever. Charlie Brown has one of the most famous dogs around. Snoopy, his little yellow bird Woodstock. Cartoon Channel. Right. 3 chipmunks made Dave Siddle crazy. Name 2 of the chipmunks. Chip and Dale. Heckle and Jekyll. Nice answer. Nice hair. Thanks. It's red. I was a redhead, so like. Okay. What cartoon family would take their dinner out of a machine called the Food Rack? It's gotta be Jetsons. Soaps Channel. Hold back the tears and answer the question about daytime melodrama being described. Okay. Felicia Jones left her heart in Frisco. He in turn left General Hospital. Still has sap pines for greener pastures, and he may return. Name the actor who played Frisco. Let's get off this one. I do not want to do soaps. Who the hell remembers those? Dick. Johnny Bauer is the miraculously cured, but poor Roxy loses her mind while Sonny Lewis lies to Joshua. Adds up she's going to have a baby, and all this happens. Oh, it's so. Yeah, guiding like that. I'm just guessing at this point. I mean, I got 1 in 3 chance for that. Not that. Saturday Night Live. All right. George and New York took 2 wild and crazy guys from Czechoslovakia. Oh my God, I don't remember this. Why don't I remember that? I'm gonna stick with it. Everybody knows that Bill Murray starred in Ghostbusters. Which one of his former Saturday Night Live mates appeared with him? Harold Ramis, Dan Aykroyd. Both did. Dan Aykroyd. What level family of aliens distributed mass quantities of fried eggs and beer trick or treat? The Coneheads. Oh, there they are. You, my friend, are indeed a super genius. Ha ha ha. Right. Well, time's up. That's for round 1. We can only mean snack break time. Oh no! There's popcorn all over! Now for a quick commercial break. Oh, okay. I was in for a pawn something. Let's move around 2. Remember, the point values are doubled. Okay. Prime time. Oh, it changed the categories. Well, of course it did. Okay, on Gary Shandling's show, what phrase appears on Gary's license plate? I'm going to guess. Nope, that's Gary Shandling's car. I kind of figured. I barely remember that show. I only remember one joke, and that was something about fishing and how would you like a pizza, like being hung up down there, right in the middle of something. What celestial crime series would you find a suitable android named? Oh, yeah, Star Trek: Next Generation. What's this? More reruns. Okay. On Three's Company, what kind of vocational school did Jack go to? Cooking. He was not a plumber or not a mechanic. What else is there? The movie channel. Right. Before they're edited and interrupted by commercials, some movies are actually played in theaters. Okay. What fine film first introduced us to the character John Rambo? It was First Blood. Shit. Oh wait, maybe it was Cobra. No, it would be First Blood. It's because there was Rambo now. Which one is first? Well, I got the Rambo one wrong, son of a bitch. That hurts. The Brat Pack. Rob Lowe, I don't believe, was in the Brat Pack. Great answer. Do you think I might be able to hire you as a writer? Yeah. In hit movie Fatal Attraction, what type of pet was discovered cooking in the pot rabbit? Whoa, that's one dandy cerebellum you got there. Man, you are all full of the jokes and commentary, dude. Holy crap. Dr. Blister. Okay. It's the evil Dr. Blister, the world's most foremost expert on celebrity rumors. What decaffeinated coffee pitchman is rumored to have gone blind after he quit playing Marcus Welby? Okay, Robert Young, I guess. Out of time. Sweet. Oh! How he scoops in, you cheap bugger. An actress with a talent doesn't need looks, and that goes for mystery writers too. Name the star of Murder, She Wrote. Angela Lansbury, yeah. That was tricky with Angelica right away. Kitty TV. Where do you find wooden puppets, wooden jokes, and wooden people all at the same time? Why on Kitty TV? Alright. On Sesame Street, what character wears a monocle on his left eye and dresses like Dracula? Count. He's my favorite vampire. That doesn't count. Oh, I absolutely assure you he does. He doesn't count as a vampire. Okay. Pee Wee Herman's Playhouse. Who's the most beautiful woman in all of Puppet Land? Mr. Yvonne. Oh, good answer. Did you skip a lot of school as a kid? Oh, bitch, I know my trivia. Who provides the voice of Kermit the Frog? Jim Henson. Ooh, good answer. Wow. Did you repeat the same joke a minute ago? Bald guys. Alright. These are people who are shining examples in their fields. If their light catches their heads just right, answer. Okay. He's everyone's worst nightmare with or without hair. Name the scorched villain on Elm Street. Oh, Freddy. Wow, I guess you're really not as dumb as you look. Yeah, thanks, jackass. I'm gonna keep going with bald guys. On Hogan's Heroes, Hogan took a shine to what colonel played by Baldy? I only caught a couple of episodes of Hogan's Heroes. That was my dad's thing, or Grandpa's too, but we really didn't watch that one. What skinhead-headed character ran only the general store, Green Acres and Petticoat? Mr. Wasn't it? Oh shit! It's Mr. Drucker. Pick you up. Pick you up. We already did Mr. Pick you up. Off the air. Okay. It's getting late in the game, and frankly, Lauren, you're not exactly blowing us away with your grasp. Oh, that's pretty. Oh. Another one bites the dust. Okay, it's time for our lightning round. Thanks for. I replaced one word from the titles of these hit movies with types of trees. Okay. Stand by me. Mystic Pizza. American Werewolf in London. The Big Chill? Mystery. Or no, Miracle. Blazing Saddles. Raging Bull. Desperately Seeking Susan. Shit. Dirty Harry. Where's... Shit. Yeah, eat me, buddy. We have a winner. All those hours in front of the TV have paid off and given you new meaning for your humdrum existence. Today I'm proud of you. Your big... I wish you would have given an extra friggin' second. That text, my god. Well, thankfully it's recorded. So, is that it? I think that's it. That was it. Alright, so MTV's remote control.